Hi, we're Vic and Lisa, and we bought his and her Nasoni faucets because we each wanted one. We each have a certain reason that we like to use it. I especially like to use it for taking my pills at night. I don't have to have a bottle of water. I don't have to worry about bending down, getting my hair wet in the sink when I'm bending over.
And this is how I like to use my Nasoni faucet in the morning when I'm brushing my teeth. I just get done, I rinse, and it's easy. 1, 2, 3. I love it. I enjoy it, and like I said, we like it so much. We have 2 of them, one for her and one for me.
This is why I like using my Nasoni fountain faucet. I like to use it for taking a pill. When you turn the faucet on and you go to take your pill, there's no bending over, getting your hair wet in the sink. And the other reason I like it is my husband has his own, and when he would brush his teeth and turn the water on, he made a big mess on the mirror. It was splashed. The whole countertop would be wet. Now it's confined to the sink. And another thing that I also thought about using it for is when you turn it on, as being a nurse, I thought if you ever got something stuck in your eye, you could use it as an eye wash because it's a gentle, warm stream of water that you could easily get that out.